Okay, let's get started with today's class. So we have done poem in the last class, that was Ghar, and the explanation also for the same. Do you remember, Sharanya? Can you see my screen? Not yet. Just give me 1 second. Mm, can you see it now? Okay, chalo, let's get started. So we have done Shabdarth, if you remember. Why this is happening? दुखाचा डोंगर, दुखाला समोरे जाणे, जवळ करणे, स्वीकारणे. Okay, वाक्य प्रचार is there. Can you repeat it once again? दुखाचा डोंगर चढणे. I cannot hear you, Sharanya. Hello. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. जवळ करणे, स्वीकारणे. दुखाचा डोंगर चढणे means दुखाला सामोरे जाणे. That is to face the problem. Okay, to face the problem. जवळ करणे, स्वीकारणे, to accept something or someone. Okay. Chalo. This two Vakya Prachar, I want you to be learning it. And then what is the next thing after this? Okay, Sharanya, do you have your workbook? What is the next thing after Vakya Prachar? योग्य पर्याय निवडा व लिहा. That is MCQs. Okay, now tell me how many are there? How many MCQs are there? Four are there, no? Okay, I have the answer key. Now moving on to the next one. योग्य पर्याय निवडा व लिहा. घरात हव्या भावना ओल्या म्हणजे घरात हव्या भावना ओल्या म्हणजे. So this is also वाक्यप्रचार, but they have given options for the answer. So the correct option is घरातील आणि हम्म, परावर प्रेम करावे, परस्परावर प्रेम करावे. Next is घर शिक्षणाची पहिली शाळा म्हणजे शिक्षण शिक्षणाला सुरुवात होते. घरापासून शिक्षणाला सुरुवात होते. Now next is all the answers are written in your workbook also, Sharanya? Okay, that's great then. जवळ करावीत नवी नवी मूल्ये, नवी ज्ञान म्हणजे no, I don't have that question. I have this question. Is it matching with your question from the textbook? जवळ करावी नवीन मूल्ये, नवीन ज्ञान म्हणजे is this one there in your book? So what is the answer? Hmm? Correct. Now next one which you told me that is there. Okay, घर. Okay, let me make it little bigger. I cannot see so small. Okay, घर शिकवते लढायला, दुखाचे डोंगर चढायला म्हणजे. Can you read the question from your book once? म्हणजे correct. Same question is there. दुःख पार करायला शिकवते. Let's understand each and every statement. घरातील व्यक्तीने परस्परावर प्रेम करावं. That means everyone in the family should love each other. Everyone should be loving and caring. Now next one was घरापासून शिक्षणाला सुरुवात होते because we first study at home only. The values, the moral principle. Then after that, काळानुसार मूल्य व ज्ञानातील बदल स्वीकारे स्वीकारावे. That means whatever changes are there as per the generation, that changes we need to accept. Generational changes we would say. So acceptance should be there. Now next one, घर संकटाशी सामना करायला, दुःख पार करायला शिकवते. घर संकटाशी सामना करायला, दुःख पार करायला शिकवते. So whatever problems we face, so family is there. So that helps us in solving. Family help us in solving the problem. That's the reason we say ghar. Ghar is not just a wall, not just infrastructure, but ghar is family. Family help us in solving all the problems. Clear? Go through it, write only the answer one, Sharanya, in your book. Okay. Can I ask you once? चलो लेट मी आस्क यू. घरात हव्या भावना आल्या म्हणजे काय? ओके. घर शिक्षणाची पहिली शाळा म्हणजे? ओके. जवळ करावीत नवी मूल्ये, नवी ज्ञान म्हणजे? स्वीकारते. घर घर शिकवते लढायला, दुःखाचा डोंगर चढायला म्हणजे? शिकवते. Very good. Chalo, it is correct. Now let us move on to the next part. What is there next in your workbook? Okay, can you read the next question? कवितेतील ओढी पूर्ण करा. Can you read the question once? No, I have the answer. Can you see my screen? Okay, chalo. Let's understand this once again. We have already done in the explanation. घर नाही चार भिंती, घर असते देखण्याची कृती. So घर is not just four walls. Yeah, घर is not just the infrastructure, but घर असते देखण्याची कृती. घर is an art. घर नाही एक वस्तू, घर म्हणजे आनंदाची वास्तू. So it is a place of happiness. It is not just a thing. घर नाही नुसता पसारा, घर नाही केवळ निवारा. Okay, घर is not all pasara, but घर is also not just a thing, not just a place to stay. घराला असते कहाणी. Every house has a story. घराला असतो आपला चेहरा. घर has a face. It means that it has emotions. Face here means emotion. Clear? Can you read it once with the answer? First one. Correct. Second one. Okay, that's great, Sharanya. Okay, chalo. Go through it once, write it once in your book. Yes, Sharanya. Can I ask you? घर नाही चार भिंती डॅश डॅश घर म्हणजे आनंदी वस्तू. गुड. घर नाही नुसता पसारा, घर असतो आपला चेहरा. Okay, chalo. That is correct, Sharanya. Now tell me what is the next thing in your book. Hmm. Answer the following question in one sentence. No, chalo. Let's see that as well. 4 are there or more than 4? 4 are there. Can you see my screen? माणसाची पहिली शाळा कुठे सुरू होते? हां, शाळा इज स्कूल. सो होम इज अवर फर्स्ट स्कूल. घराने कोणत्या गोष्टी जवळ कराव्यात? whatever new rules, new things are coming, like updates, we could say naveen gyan, knowledge that we should accept. who घर and the family, whichever age group they belong. घराच्या हातचे जेवण कसे असते, सॉरी, आईच्या हातचे जेवण कसे असते? हा, टेस्टी, चविष्टी, टेस्टी. घराने कसे असावे? समाधानी असावे मीन्स sufficient. Yeah, self sufficient, we would say. That everything should be available when we go to the house, we should feel peace. So that is the meaning of sufficient here. Chalo, go through it. I want you to be writing down only the answer once in your book. Yes. Okay, let me ask you, Sharanya, once. I cannot see you. माणसाची पहिली शाळा कुठे सुरू होते? घराने कोणत्या गोष्टी जवळ कराव्यात? करावे. करावे. आईच्या आईच्या हातचे जेवण कसे असते? घराने कसे असावे? असावे. ओके, चलो, दॅट्स ग्रेट, एक्सलंट.